The Raspberry Pi 4 is out, but we're limited to the official Raspberry Pi 4 case at this stage. But there is some Raspberry Pi 4 cases up for pre-order at the moment over at Flirc. So stick around to find out more. It's TechWizTime. Hey guys, Jonathan here with TechWizTime, where I create technology tutorial and review videos. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the Flirc cases are getting an update for the Raspberry Pi 4. So I was having a look at the Flirc site and noticed that they had a pre-order up there for the two new Flirc cases. That's the plain version, plain version here, and the Kodi version. So those are being updated at the moment and they will be shipped out soon. And if you pre-order, I believe you can get a special price. Normally they were about $15 each, but I think with the pre-order price they're around $11. Now, obviously that's going to change because this video is going to get older, and at the moment, which is July 2019, that's what it says on the website. So in a month's time, don't leave me a comment and say, oh, it's $15 now. Because yeah, guess what? It's probably going to be $15 in a month's time. But at the moment of making this video, it is $11. So if you are one of those early watchers and you jump onto it, then you can get it for the cheaper price. To be honest, $11 for a Flirc case is amazing. It's an amazing price. The reason why I love these cases so much is because they're pretty much a big heatsink. So when you put the Raspberry Pi inside, it fits in there nice and snug, but this whole metal enclosure here, the aluminium, actually helps to dissipate the heat. So it does a lot better job than those little tiny heat sinks that you've got out there. So instead of needing to buy separate heat sinks and all that sort of thing, you've got it all in the case. It's all in there, it's all snug, and they look really, they look really good. I love the look of them. Anyway, this video isn't sponsored by Flirc or anything like that. They will be sending me out some of their new cases once they are made and finished, and I'll review them on this channel. But I just wanted to, get this out there. The links for pre-ordering these cases are going to be down in the description below. So make sure you jump over there as quickly as you can if you're looking to get in on that special price, and get your pre-order in. So you guys interested in getting the Flirc cases, or you've got the Flirc already and you're maybe wanting to look at doing an upgrade to a Raspberry Pi 4 a little bit later, then leave me a comment down below and let me know. I know for a fact that the Raspberry Pi 4 4GB model, I'm really keen on testing that out with Kodi and Plex Media Server, torrent boxing, and also RetroPie, obviously. But yeah, I'm really keen to see what the 4GB model will pull in terms of processing power when it comes to media and retro gaming. So yeah, leave me a comment down below if you're keen on that as well. But in saying that, make sure you check out the link in the description for the Flirc cases to pre-order them now. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, then make sure you do, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I release a new video. If you can, share this video out there on social media, because I guarantee you these are going to sell out quickly. So yeah, share it with as many friends as you can, especially on Reddit, Facebook, Twitter. Those are the main places that a lot of my videos get around. So yeah, if you could do that, that would really help the channel out a lot. And it's really quick and easy to do, and it's free. So with all that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, imagine, learn, create.